everyone! Mac received a package in the mail this past week from Dapper Dachery, which as you can see, he's very excited about it. They're a small business that specializes in products for dachshunds, and they tailor their harnesses to your dog's exact measurements, which we were very excited about that. We've been eyeing Dapper Dachery's products for some time and are really pleased with the pieces they sent us. We were specifically looking for a harness that gave Mac enough room behind his front legs so he didn't have any chafing, and this harness is perfect. If you'd like to check out their products, we'll leave a link to their website and Etsy shop in this video's description box below. And just for your general information, we don't receive any kind of commission if you choose to use these links. Thanks!